Hello, good morning, students. Today we will keep continued exercise 8.1. Question 4 and 5 we will do today. Okay, question 4 and 5. So, question 4 is show that the quadrilaterals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. This we have proved. Okay, the diagonals of a square are bisect each other at right angle and equal. This we have proved. Okay, now solution given ABCD is a square. First you have draw square in your notebook. Okay, if you draw square in your notebook ABCD, then draw two diagonals AC and BD which intersect each other at O. Okay, now what we know about the square? AC equal to BD, that is we have to prove. ABCD is a square, that we know, and we know about the square. Okay, what we know about the square? Adjacent sides are equal. All the four angles of a square are at right angle. All the four angles of a square is right angle. This much we know, and by using this we are going to start the solution. Okay, given ABCD is a square. To prove, what we have proved? AC equal to BD. This we have proved. What is AC and BD? Two diagonals. Okay, and another what we have proved? AC and BD bisect each other at right angles. Okay, this we have proved. So proof now. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, okay, take two triangles ABC due to first diagonal and ABD due to second diagonal. If you draw first diagonal AC, then one triangle ABC, okay, and if you draw BD diagonal, then ABD triangle formed. In both the triangle AB equal to AB, this is common. Both the triangles are on the common base. Okay, angle ABC equal to angle BAD. Why these two angles are equal? Opposite angles. Okay, angle ABC equal to angle BAD, right angle. BC equal to AD, opposite sides are equal in square. Okay, therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD by side angle side corresponding. Okay, SAS criteria, SAS congruence rule. So if we prove this, then we can obtain AC equal to BD, CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, CPCT. So first result we have proved AC equal to BD. Now we have proved bisect each other at right angle. For this we can take two triangle OAD and triangle OCB. In both the triangle AD equal to BC. Okay, opposite sides are equal. Angle OAD equal to angle OCB. Why these two angles are equal? Because it is angle formed by the parallel lines. Okay, and ODA equal to angle OBC. C. These two angles are also equal. Therefore, two triangles OAD congruent triangle OCB by ASA angle side angle. This criteria we can use and we will obtain OA equal to OC. Okay, these two part diagonals AC and its two part AO equal to OC means makes two equal part. This is bisect. And OA equal to OC. OA equal to OC. This result we have proved. Okay. Now similarly we can prove OB equal to OD by taking another two triangle. So view of 1 and 2 AC and BD bisect each other, that we can prove AC and BD bisect each other. Now again triangle OBA and triangle ODA, OB equal to OD. Okay. BD equal to BA equal to DA, sides of squares ABCD. OA equal to OA is the common in both the triangle. Therefore, triangle OBA congruent triangle ODA. Which rule? All the three sides S congruence rule. CPCT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. These two angles are equal, but we know that this is a linear pair. Okay, AOB plus AOD equal to 180. We know that the angles of linear pairs are supplementary. Supplementary means both the sum of the two angles is 180 and both are equal. So taking x in place of both the angles, x plus x equal to 180. X plus x is the 2x. 2x equal to 180. Therefore, x equal to 180 upon 2. What we will obtain? 90. Therefore, both the angles is the x and measure of x is 90. Therefore, angle AOB is the 90 degree and AOD is also 90 degree. It means we can say that AC and BD bisect each other at right angle. Bisect each other at right angle. So in this way we can prove this theorem, this rider number 4. Now we are going to start question number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Okay, this rider is inverse statement of the question 4. Okay, here is the right angle is given, bisect each other is the given, but we have proved it is square. Okay, reverse process of question 4. So now question 5 we will do. Given the diagonals AC and BD of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, this is given, and we have proved it is square. Okay, to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Okay, now draw the draw the square in your notebook. Also draw AC and BD two diagonals. Okay, now proof. In triangle OAD and in triangle OCB, opposite triangles. from the square OAD and BOC. What we will equal? OA equal to OC, OD equal to OB. Why these are equal? Because given in question bisect each other is given, so it is equal. AOD angle equal to COB. Why these two angles are equal? Because it is vertically opposite angles. Okay, when two line segment intersect each other, then opposite angles make these angles are vertically opposite angle. Okay, vertically. Therefore, triangle OAD congruent triangle OCB, both the triangle are congruent by SAS, side angle side congruence rule. Therefore, AD equal to CB. AD equal to CB. We will obtain here opposite sides are equal, that is CPCT. Two sides are equal, then angle ODA equal to angle OBC. ODA equal to angle OBC. And therefore, angle BDA equal to angle DBC. Okay, these two angles are equal, both the CPCT. Therefore, we can say that AD parallel BC. AD parallel BC and AD equal to CB. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. First, we cannot prove directly it is square. First, we have proved it is parallelogram. Now, in triangle AOB and triangle AOD, OA equal to OA, common, OB equal to OD. Okay, OB equal to OD. Why this equal? It is given in question. Bisect each other. Okay. Angle AOB equal to angle AOD. It is also given. Bisect each other at right angle. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent triangle AOD, SAS congruence rule, side angle side. Therefore, what we will get? AB equal to AD, CPCT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram and AB equal to AD. Therefore, it is rhombus. Now, first we have proved it is parallelogram. Now, from the parallelogram, now it is proved rhombus. Okay, and now in rhombus, all the four sides equal, but not any of the angle is right angle. So now we are going to prove this result now. Again, triangle ABC and triangle BAD. AC equal to BD given, BC equal to AD because it is rhombus, AB equal to AB, it is common. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle BAD, side side side, SSS congruence rule. Therefore, angle ABC equal to angle BAD, CPCT, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Therefore, AD parallel BC, it is parallelogram first, then it is rhombus. Okay, and these two angles are is the transversal. Okay, transversal interior angles of the transversal. So it is also supplementary. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle BAD equal to 180. Sum of the two interior angles of made by the transversal is the supplementary, means 180 degree. Okay, so ABC plus BAD equal to 180. Both are equal. We can take x in place of equal. X plus x equal to 180. 2x equal to 180. Therefore, x equal to 180 upon 2. It is 90. Therefore, angle BCD, angle ADC equal to 90. Now, we know that in rhombus, 4 sides are equal, but angles are not right angle. And we have proved here 4 sides are equal, all the angles are right angle. Then we can say that ABCD is a square. Okay, ABCD is a square.